The WORSICA service was developed by LNAC in the scope of the INCD project. Now it's being upgraded in EOSC-Synergy. To use the service, the users must register by clicking the button in the portal, fill in all the fields in the registration form, or choose the AGI federated access implemented in the portal. With this option, the user can choose between several identity providers. In this demo, we're going to choose the AGI SSO and follow the steps of AGI. With the AGI credentials, we can enter the site. We can choose between the coastline detection, the inland water bodies detection, or the leak detection in irrigation networks. For this video, we're going to choose the coastline detection. Inside the coastline detection, the user can navigate to the area of interest, follow the steps of the workflow, and set the simulation. Let's start with the region of interest. The user must define a label for the region of interest. After that, we must specify the area for the determination of the coastline, drawing a rectangle or providing a file with the coordinates, and then pass to the other step of the workflow, the inputs. In this menu, the user can choose the type of image, the percentage of cloud coverage, and the monitoring period. After the configuration of the inputs menu, the system starts downloading the thumbnails from ESA. Then, the user can check if the footprint of the image covers the area of study. In the detection menu, the user will be able to choose the water index to be used to determine the coastline. He is also able to choose the value of threshold for those indexes. In the last step of the workflow, the user must set a label to the simulation and may check the summary of the simulation to be submitted. By pressing the button Start, the simulation is submitted to the WORSICA service. After submitting the simulation, the user can check the status of the processing workflow in the Detection Manager or Visualization menu. You can do that by clicking the yellow box in front of the simulation name. Then you can see the status of the run. By clicking the information button, the user can see more information about each step of the algorithm. When the status turns green, the results are available to the user. By clicking each layer, the user can see the results on the map. The user can see the configuration of the lines and also to overlay several lines to compare the results of the different water indexes. Since in this demo we have chosen the automatic threshold method, the user can also check the value determined for each index. And all the indexes can be seen on the map individually. If the user is satisfied with the results, you can download the data to the local desktop just by clicking the blue icon in the portal. The results are saved in raster and shapefile formats, and the user can use them with the external software. For further information, please feel free to contact the WORSICA team or check the communication channels of the EOSC-Synergy project.